I run an organization called ARC, where we integrate the value of UN Sustainable Development Goals in education, because education is what I know. So this is briefly about me, my personal life. We'll begin with today's session now. I'm blocking the screen. If I stand here. तो एक स्टोरी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. So this story is about this wise old woman जो एक कहीं बहुत दूर कई hills cross करके रहती थी. It was very difficult to reach her, but it was known that she is extremely wise and she can solve anybody's problem. So there was this village जहाँ पे लोगों को बहुत तरह की दिक्कतें थी. पानी से रिलेटेड, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट से रिलेटेड, हर तरह के वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स थी. तो विलेज के बड़े लोग इकट्ठे हुए और उन्होंने कहा कि हमसे तो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो ही नहीं रही है. We've been trying for so long, we're not able to solve our problems. What should we do? Should we continue like this? Then one youngster suggested, let's go to this old woman who lives up the hill. She may have a solution to our problems. So all the wise men and women of the village got together, formed a group, and they took this difficult walk up the hill to meet this old woman. कई दिन लग गए उनको वहाँ तक पहुँचने में, कई दिक्कतें भी आई वहाँ पहुँचने में. Finally वो उनके पास पहुँचे. The lady gave them a very very warm welcome, and they started talking to her. We've come to you for so and so reason. हमारे पास ये नहीं होता ठीक से. We don't know what to do with it. So the lady listened to them very very patiently. उसके बाद पता उन्होंने क्या बोला? She asked them, do you know what I'm going to tell you? And they all looked at each other. They said, no, we don't know what you're going to tell us. So she said, in that case, I have nothing to tell you. Please go back. ये लोग तो शॉक ही रहे. हम इतनी दूर आए थे ये सुनने के लिए. They all went back. They all got together again and they all discussed what we did wrong. Did we annoy her? Was she upset at us? Do we need to do anything differently? इस बार उन्होंने नई strategy बनाई and they went back to her again. Same route, same problems, same difficult terrain, and then they reached her. Same sequence of events. Now this time again she asked them, do you know what I'm going to tell you? They say, yes, we know what you're going to tell us. Then come with a different strategy. She says, in that case, I have nothing to tell you. Obviously, when you already know what I'm going to tell you, I have nothing to tell you. So they went back again. And they said, इस बार तो कुछ बहुत ही अलग करना होगा. We have to get the answer from her. Again, they went back to her. Again, she asked them, do you know what I'm going to tell you? And this time, half of them said yes, and half of them said no. So her answer was, those who know what I'm going to say should tell those who do not know what I'm going to say. And my job is done and goodbye, I'll see you later. बहुत ज़्यादा frustrated हो गए कुछ देर के लिए तो कि like we traveled 3 times for all of this. Like who said she's a wise old woman? But on their return and while doing the return journey, as they kept talking about it, they understood that the lady had given them a very important lesson. Can someone from the audience share with me what was that lesson, if you've understood? Can you have a mic that goes around the audience, please? Is that she enlightened them that the answers are within you. All you have to do is look within and you'll find the answers within you. I can't do magic. I can't solve your problems. I can only show you the path, but the answers lie within you. So she had shown them the path to find the answers within, and that's what I am standing here to do today. I know you have the answers. I know you're experts at pre-primary.